Welcome to Everydex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Power BI to your BigQuery. Do not follow this video. Do not continue to watch this video if you are not searching for connection to Power BI to BigQuery. So if you don't want to source data from BigQuery, so this is going to waste your time. If you are searching for an information, how can you connect to BigQuery and how can you upload data to BigQuery free of charge, so free tier, and if your data is up to 2 megabytes, if I'm not mistaken, or 1 megabyte, sorry, up to 1 megabyte, then it's the place where you should be and follow the next steps. In order to have your data sourced in your Power BI, here, for example, accounts, this one is sourced from BigQuery. If I go to the data transformation, and if I search for the sources of data, and here you're gonna have the source of data connected to my BigQuery, right? What should I do? First of all, I need to go to my BigQuery and set up my BigQuery environment, right? What you're gonna do? We go step back. We write BigQuery sandbox. So it's a trial place when you can try your free of charge your data up to 1 megabyte. So you go to the BigQuery, you go to BigQuery, right? You can close this too. It's gonna bring you to the Google Cloud and BigQuery. You might be asked to authenticate, use your credentials and data to get an access. What you will need to do is open the project, new project. So you create a new project and you call it the name. Let's go Everydex project, and just to create. So it's creating here. What can you do now? For example, now we are on the previous project. We say the select project. You're gonna see that it's changing, and now you have the Everydex here. You close this. You go to Everydex here, and in this Everydex you can ignore all these different substacks and go to the create dataset. So you create a dataset, you call the dataset name accounts. I had the dimension account, so we can have a store or manager dimension. So it's gonna be dataset ID. All right, let's precise one thing. Dataset here is meant as the schema, and whatever you have the tables under that schema are your tables. And if you get used of using SQL, it's how it's structured in BigQuery. So dataset is a schema, and whatever tables you have under the schema are your tables. So dataset is going to be Contoso. I'm also confusing it a lot. So Contoso project, or yeah, let's call it Contoso project. Region, you should select the your region. For example, my region is Europe, and let's say Europe. I mean, you can do the multi-region, and select your region and go to Europe, multiple regions. Right, you're creating the data set, and now you have the data set, right? And if you go here, you're gonna have the data set. Click here, you don't have anything. What you do is to click on it, create table. You create the table and you create upload, right? Whenever you select the table, the file, it's gonna already give you the file format. Manager, I won't get the dimension manager. customer. All right, let's get the dimension customer. This is, by the way, Contoso dataset by Microsoft. You can get from Microsoft this dataset. So dimension customer. Whenever you are uploading your data, make sure that it's not too huge, otherwise you are not going to be able to upload those. CSV file, right? It's auto detect. I'm gonna auto detect destination. It's a table name. It's gonna be dimension customer. Dimension customer table, partition by ingestion time. These are the advanced settings that we don't need right now. Just ignore them. Just click on the create table. It's gonna create the table for you, and now you're gonna see the table here. If you click on that table, you're gonna have the preview of the table, and you can actually query this table, do the basic query, and select everything from analytics, and you run it. But it's not the main objective what you want to see. I'm just gonna show you what we have here, right? So you go back now to your Power BI. Let's ignore this account table. So just delete this account that I've created before, and let's close actually this one, Power Query. So what you do, we are just connecting this, right? We write BigQuery, Google BigQuery, connect. Then it's gonna ask you to authenticate. You click OK, and then the second path, here I'm already authenticated, but it will ask you to sign into your Google account. So you just sign in with your Google account, and you go forward it to your Google account, and you sign in, and then you click again connect. Ibretics, right? Contoso. And in this Ibretics project, under this Ibretics project, I have Contoso, and then I have dimension customer. I click this, and it's ready to be uploaded. Integer field 0, so it's wrong. The name is wrong actually, so I might need to change the name and call it ID. But again, like this, all next steps are the complementary steps. What you needed to know in this video is how to connect to BigQuery, your Power BI workspace, and that's what we have seen in this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support me and to motivate me to make more videos. So whenever you have questions, you can leave a comment. I'm gonna be back and respond to your all queries about the project on Power BI. Have a good day. Bye.